Hi everyone, thanks for coming back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a great breakfast omelette with spinach, mushrooms, asparagus, and Boursin cheese. First we want to get all of our veggies cut and ready to go. We need to slice our mushrooms and then cut our asparagus into roughly 1-inch pieces. We want to start with 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat and then add the mushrooms and cook until they caramelize. Season lightly with salt and pepper. Now that the mushrooms are golden brown, we want to add the asparagus and cook until they're tender. Then we want to add the spinach and toss until it's lightly wilted. We want to set this aside while we cook our eggs. The trick to making a great omelet is to not cook it too fast and have your eggs whisked well with no strands of egg whites. To cook the omelette, we want to start with 1 tablespoon of butter over low heat in a 10-inch non-stick sauté pan. You want to add the eggs to the pan right after you whisk them and use a spatula to stir them. While you're stirring the eggs, you want to keep mixing and breaking up any lumps of cooked eggs and keep mixing. If the pan gets too warm and the eggs are cooking too quick, lift the pan off the heat and keep mixing the eggs. Once the eggs are cooked about halfway, stop stirring the eggs and cook over low heat to have the eggs finish cooking. You can check how cooked they are by moving your spatula across the top of your eggs. This also helps to make sure that they are spread evenly in the pan. Now that the eggs are cooked, we can add our veggies and crumble the Boursin cheese. This cheese is great because it adds a ton of flavor and it melts really well. To get the omelette out of the pan, you want to start rolling the omelette onto itself in the pan and then roll it onto the plate. You'll know you've perfected your omelette when there are no creases or holes in your eggs and it's just one smooth layer of cooked eggs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll leave a recipe in the box below. If you make any of my recipes, tag me on my Instagram at @A Chef and a Spoon. Thanks for watching and see you next time.